In my Notion dashboard, I just have this concept of velocity, and it's like the velocity of an idea. Imagine you start off with a rock on a hill of snow, and as it rolls down, it collects more and more snow, and the snowball grows bigger, and it gains more velocity as it goes down, and by the time it gets to the bottom, it's this huge thing, and that is what you eventually publish. And so it kind of mirrors that, where I have ratings. It's rated between 1 and 5, but I only really use 1, 3, and 5. And what that forces me to do is, so what I call a 1, a velocity of 1, is just bullet points, like just an idea that came to me. It could be 1 line, it could be 3 lines, but it's literally just bullet points and it doesn't mean anything. And then a 3 is like a few sentences, at least. I kind of have an idea of exactly what this is and what the structure will look like. And then a 5 is like a few paragraphs. So now I actually have some meat on the bones. So then when I actually want to come and write something to publish, so for example, it could be a Sunday afternoon and I need to send a newsletter out on Monday and I have no idea what I'm going to write. I can just go and start with the 5s, and those are things that already have a few paragraphs in them. I haven't done anything more than that. I haven't thought about anything more than that. But because I've set that as the baseline of what that's going to be, then I can just look at those things.